Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I'm really tired. I had a really bad sleep, but I can't stay in bed. So come with me and we'll see if I do anything today. I have watermelon and Vegemite toast because I'm obsessed with both watermelon and Vegemite toast. So that's what I'm going to eat for breakfast. This is really hard with one People think vlogging doesn't take skill. Let me tell you, I'm not very skillful in this area. Just getting ready for gym, guys. Let's do this. Just got to the gym and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling it today, but I've just had some pre-workout. I put on some Lizzo on the way to the gym and girl, she pumps me up, so I'm feeling a little bit better. So let's go do a workout so I can go home because I'm hungry again and I want more food. Story of my life. All I do is eat. I go to the Hub in Gladstone. Highly recommend. It has everything and a CrossFit section, and I'm starting to put more CrossFit stuff into my gym. And it is a gorgeous day once again in Queensland, which is why I love living here. Just finished my workout. It was really good. Not as long as I usually do. I usually wake up at 5 a.m. even on weekends, and I woke up at 8, so I'm just feeling really out of it, really out of routine, and I don't like it. I'm very into routine. But anyway, I'm gonna go home, have a shower, get ready for the day. It's about what's the time? It's like 11 o'clock. And then I've got uni work to do, which is probably gonna take up my whole day. So really excited about it. Let's go do that. So I'm all ready for the day. Like, the glow up is real from the clip before, let me tell you. And now I'm doing some uni. So I am studying a Bachelor of Psychological Science. And I have an assignment due tomorrow that I have not started, but it's only like 300, it's 2 parts. It's 300 words altogether. It's not going to be hard. I can probably have it done in like, I don't know, half an hour, and then I'll be free for the rest of the day. I work full-time and study full-time, so most of my uni work I do on the weekend. But I can usually get it out of the road pretty quick and actually do some fun things. So hopefully we will do some fun stuff this afternoon. I do want to go to the beach because it's such a nice day. And I'm stuck inside and I don't like it, so I'll probably take my dog to the beach later because that's like his favorite place in the world. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. So I finished my assignment, which is awesome. It was just I just had to do an annotated bibliography on the Stanford prison experiment, which was fine. And I just realized I have a psych essay due next week. And I didn't know because I'm just an unorganized person. It's just who I am as a person. So I was just gonna sit down and watch Friends for a little while because it's too hot to go to the beach right now. I don't want my little doggy to get burnt paws from the sand. But I think I'm gonna have to start writing my essay. I'm not about that. Where's he? You wanna go to the beach? Let's go, come on, let's go to the beach. How Australian is this? Okay, can you see the burn? You guys can't see it. I just burnt my arm on the car door. It's hot. It makes me so happy how happy he is whenever we come here. He's so cute. I just love it here. It's literally one of my favorite places to come is the beach, specifically the dog beach, because then I get to bring Raz and he just has so much fun and it's so cute. I just love him. He's my main man, guys. He's my main man. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to end my vlog here. I basically just came home, made some dinner, made my lunch for tomorrow, and that's it. And now I'm going to go to bed because I'm really tired. So like for me, subscribe for me and for more videos, and thank you so much.